So today we're finally getting rid of this awful clunky shifter that barely likes to work, and we're going to be installing a brand new short throw shifter. Got this on AmericanMuscle.com. It's pretty cheap. It's definitely not the best one out there, but it's going to do the trick. So to start, we're going to start by unscrewing the current shift knob, which all you got to do is unscrew. And on that note, the short throw shifter is installed, which means this car is officially done. Or done, I should say. I have some big plans for this car. We are going to get rid of that V6. I'm not going to tell you too much more. But on that note, let's give you the reveal. My speedometer now works. I just unplugged the transmission speed sensor and plugged it back in, and now it works. Hell yeah. I have a fully working gauge cluster. One less thing I need to fix. Thanks for watching today's video. The Mustang is just about done with phase 1. I gotta just paint a couple more things to get it fully done in phase 1, but nothing y'all want to see. It's the boring things, just little touch-ups. But phase 2 is going to be where we start doing the fun modifications, and we are going to be turning this into a budget drift build. I don't know exactly what we're going to do. We're going to try to make almost everything ourselves, or myself. Angle kit, dual caliper bracket. Just gonna try to make it as cheap as possible at first, and if I get into drifting and I like it, I will splurge and get better things. During this build process, I am gonna get some upgraded parts, because why buy twice when you can just buy once? But next video you're gonna see, it's gonna be the official start of modifications. So, till next time, peace.